My people, we don't land again like waiting, like Land Rover. The other comedy don't carry come again, no. Hey, this our life too funny, oh. You know why the life funny, eh? Because everything where they happen for this life, it just dey be like movie. The life dey too funny, oh. Everything where they happen, if you calculate yourself very very well how you dey take wake up in the morning, pray, take your shower, go work, come back safely. E dey be like movie. And again, you know say for this life, na small pikin brain na we dey take do wetin, dey watch movie, dey understand all the tricks and all the magic wey dey do for inside the movie. Na small pikin brain o. If you go use adult brain, you go just vex break that television because na so lie, so fake thing na im full for movie. So now at this point in time, there's something I want to discuss with us now. I was on media last night. I was watching one lady that was saying the reason why do our women, our wife, you know, say wetin dey make them they prefer to go outside, or no go allow the man to sleep with her. Say some of our men, we dey weak, we no fit last how the woman want. When I go watch that video finish, I come begin the laugh, but come dey ask myself, how you expect that man to last for top in wife body? Wey be say all the ingredients wey husband dey give, wey wife suppose give her husband, all those fruits, all those vegetables, all those milk, all this kind thing wey dey refresh man body, wey go make the man come last well top of him wife. You wey be woman wey dey talk, how many of una still dey give una husband that kind food? I just dey ask o. Your husband go work, come back, come on to greet am, you no go fit greet am. Give am water make you take shower, you no go fit. Okay, give am better food now, bring all this fruit like apple, banana, make the man for eat, get strength. Then come hang your leg as you want, make you carry your leg, you reach mask. As you want make the man carry your leg, or as the woman, the lady they talk, say they supposed to, men, why make with the women there, your wife will come they deny you, this that, because you no strong, you know if you carry the woman, you know if you make and throw away, you know if you make the woman carry, you know if you carry the woman leg, go like this, hang out like this. I come they ask myself, you wey dey talk this, you no know say you get some food wey you go dey give your husband, wey go come make your husband dey happy? Because this thing no be wetin dey carry vex do. Anytime wey the man no fit, wey be say him mind no clear, you no go fit do anything for inside. Na like that say e still be for woman. So you wey dey find who go carry your leg, you don ask how many strength the man get. Abi you wan kill somebody pikin? You no get heart? You supposed to ask, you supposed to check yourself wella. Know whether first you don give am the kind of food wey the man supposed to eat, so the thing wey go make the man get strength. Come hammer you now, she wan make you hammer you, make you dey tired, make you come carry your leg, hang this side, throw away, do like that. You know the shame? You know the shame? You wan kill somebody pikin? Abi how you dey you for body? Every animal get the particular blood wey dey their body. Small animal go get small blood, big animal go get big blood. Na so e be for human being o. No go do all this thing. Some men go come go kill themselves on top of woman where they wan satisfy the woman. Nothing you go do to satisfy any woman. Na me dey tell you, nothing. You dey talk, you know dey feel. Some women, there was some men dey weak. You now wey you no dey weak, go carry that bet wey dem put there. Say na you wey dey strong, na you win am. Abeg, make we know the kind thing wey we go dey talk for this kind of social media. No be everything wey we see we go come talk out. Abeg, make we dey talk something wey be say person fit learn something from wetin we talk. You wan kill somebody pikin? Wey you go hammer before the woman go come dey okay, come dey reach the Jupiter Mars, come back. You know wetin e be? You know wetin don comot for the man body? Abeg, that thing wey you just talk dey vex me, but I no wan talk. I no wan just vex, but e dey vex me. But I no wan vex o. Women abeg, if you wan make your husband dey satisfy you, You know the kind food, some kind food, some kind fruit wey you go dey miss dey give am. We know say wetin the woman dey talk oh, e wan make sense oh, but no be that one go come make a wife come leave her husband oh, come go another side because your husband no fit do am. Your husband na your husband. If you still carry that belle, if you still dey get pregnant for outside, according to our own African tradition, na that husband wey put you for house na him get am oh, no be that outsider. Forget DNA. You dey feel me? Forget about it. They go do DNA test or this or that. That your husband wey you dey house, according to our own black man and African tradition, na the one wey put you for house na him get that pikin oh. So make you no go lis ten to wetin your fellow women talk. Woman talk, na him go make you go come leave your husband, go come dey date outside. You wan go follow, go date. You wan make my power go enter you, make you throw away, make you hang your leg from here to Mars. Abeg, forget that thing. Anyhow wey your husband be oh, anyhow wey your man dey, he strong or he no strong, the manage and God na him give you. Na wetin be, na wetin that na message wey I get for you. Abeg, Mona, thank you. Mona, do well for listening to this message. Na me be Ada Comedy TV. Yeah, man, no more. May God bless you now. Abeg, if you love me, if you like me, abeg go see me for Nanya. Show me that love. Amani on Nanya. They will know.